Bonjour, so this is gonna be my first $10 challenge. I'm gonna see how much $10 can get me on the streets of Montreal. I like to gather souvenirs, so I'm gonna be trying out. I'm gonna see how far I can stretch my bills. I'm going to the local Montreal market where they sell different items, and I'm gonna be seeing what I can get for $10 in amazing Montreal. So let's go right ahead and get it. The first thing I'm going to be grabbing for myself is a souvenir. I love collecting souvenirs. They're just great ways to remember all the countries you've been to and the memories you had in them. So anytime I see something from this place, I remember the experience that shaped me buying it. So let's look for a souvenir first, then look for something else. Well, souvenirs first. Something very Montreal, something that screams Montreal, something like that. I don't think this screams Montreal. How much should this go for? Yep, no price on it.
Oh, okay. The six.
Oh, $6.50. Okay. All right, let's go for it.
Only one?
Just one is okay. One is okay.
Just 47.
No problem. All right.
Is it for receipts for email, for text?
No receipt. No receipt. Merci.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks well. So that's $7 gone. So let's just see if we've got space for one more item. I think we should be able to get one more item.
One of my favorite things about Montreal, apart from the fact that it's beautiful, is just the various personalities you see in Montreal. It's fascinating how you can see a clown, an artist, and tradesmen all in the same square and adding bubbly life to the city.
Bonjour.
Hello.
You accept credit cards?
Yes.
Perfect. How much you do? Okay, I have to check it myself. Give me a second.
The magnet?
Yep.
$10.
$10. Okay.
I give you a new one. I know which one.
Okay. Let me just select the one I want.
If you want this one, I have like this new one.
New one. Okay.
Which one do you like?
I want the Montreal clock tower. This one.
Show me. Okay, come. I have here.
Gracias. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, let's pay right away. All right, so that's it. So actually $10 couldn't get me much, about $15, $17, but let's just say $15 moving forward. So if you ever want to get 2 items for yourself in Montreal, budget around $15 so you can use it for yourself. And that's it. I've had the best time exploring this market. It's an amazing market. They have different products. Tourists are everywhere. So many exciting things. And a must place to visit if you're ever in Montreal. So do check this place out, and please don't forget to subscribe. The more you do this, the more I create more videos. Have a wonderful day, guys.